Hey, welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're out here today riding towards the John W. Flannagan Dam and Reservoir overlooking Haysi, Virginia. But first, we got to get through the big city of Pound. Well, ride along with us here and we'll take you right downtown. Pound is a little town in southwest Virginia. Greg referencing there, calling it the Pound. They've got some signs up throughout the town on buildings and such saying the Pound. We're not used to it being called that. It's always just Pound, Virginia to us. I'll throw up a map here in a few minutes showing you the area that was riding through today. Of course, this is just a small clip of it. We actually rode probably 250 miles or so. Can't hardly put 250 miles in a 10-15 minute video. I'm using a GoPro 8 on a lot of this and the Insta360 camera. Coming into downtown Pound here now. Got a three-way stop. We'll be taking a left here. It's a marketing gimmick. This road here will take us towards Clintwood, Virginia, where we will take a left on the State Road 607, head toward the dam and reservoir. Mapped out taking a route on 631, but it ended up being shut down due to some road construction. However, we did encounter this nice guy in a red pickup truck here. This was about 5 o'clock in the evening, and these old boys were probably just getting off work. That guy appeared to be eating, not paying attention, coming around that curve.
Remember this, 607.
You trusting me with a number? 607.
607. That'll be to the left. To 614. To the left.
Well, are you going same route we took the other time through Sword Creek and then left to Honeacre up on the hill?
No, we'll be coming in on the back side of Honeacre, and then coming back down the way we got to Honeacre. I think Swords Creek was past Honeacre, wasn't it?
No, it was before we got there. It was this road we went through Nora. Here comes another. Went past Nora. Before we got to St. Paul, we made that left. That's where I fell in the bathroom.
Did you see that little red truck there just a while ago, come around on my side of the road?
Oh yeah, because he was still over there a little bit on me.
Idiot.
Where we are.
Made it through Clintwood now, and we're on State Route 607 headed towards the reservoir. Nice trip through there. It's a 2-lane, relatively curvy road. listen closely, you can hear all the rattling in his gold wing. I think I got a lot of stuff loose there in the dash or somewhere in the front end. Maybe this winter I'll break down, take that thing apart, see what's going on. You concentrate on those noises, it can about drive you crazy. You're listening for it now, aren't you? A pretty little country church there, awful close to the road though. Go ahead and throw you up this map here now and show you where we're going to. Traveling left or right. You see we go through Pound and take all these curvy roads all the way over to Haysi, that last dot there on the right where it says Dickinson Highway. The John W. Flannagan Dam and Reservoir. Old John was a congressman back in his day. The dam was constructed between 1960 and 1964. It's 250 feet high and 916 feet long. It's an earth-filled dam made out of rock with a central clay core. It's got about 40 acres of shoreline. The gates empty out into the Russell Fork River. Of course, this dam was built primarily for flood control, and it's kept at an elevation of about 1,396 feet above sea level for recreation during the summer. During the fall, the lake is lowered 16 feet to hold additional water from winter and spring runoff. This place does have restrooms located at the project office below the dam area. Got a conjunction area and a crane's nest area. Also have a lower twin area, a spillway area, and the Pound River area. So they got all kinds of places there where you can go pee. During the first 4 full weekends in October, they have a whitewater release to achieve their winter pool. From down the first 2 miles are Class 2 rapids, which progress downstream, reaching Class 5 rapids. Has some of the most challenging rapids in the eastern United States. You can find that traveling through the Breaks Interstate Park, which is close by to the John Flannagan down there. All this info is from Wikipedia, so you can take it for what it's worth.
Man, that's a long way down.
It's very pretty through here. We were running pretty late, so we had a long way to get home. Didn't really have time to stop and check anything out. We had to get Greg home before the sun went down and it got cold. I do appreciate y'all watching these videos. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. It would help us out immensely. Hit that like button, leave us a comment. I try to answer all my comments. Keep riding safe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, long way down, wasn't it?